You can also directly insert out images from your Google Drive in Google Drawings. So to do that, first of all, you need to click on Insert and go to Images right here. And over here, you can see Drive is an option. Once you click on Drive, what happens is that you get access to your drive right here. So you can see that I have one image in my Google Drive right here. You can also access my drive right here and navigate around to the folder if you want to insert out images from a specific folder. In my case, I only have one image right here, a teacher tube. So I'm just going to select this and click on Insert. And what happens is that the image gets inserted in Google Drawing, as you can see. And as with any other images, you can move this and place this wherever you want. And that is how you can insert out images directly from Google Drive in your Google Drawings file as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.